I am Mamta Sahota. I am your realtor and I am an investor as well. I started my investment journey just 3 years ago, but today's date, I own more than 4 million worth of investment properties. How did I do that? By investing in profitable real estate portfolio. With that, I receive high returns in terms of higher rental and higher appreciation. Today, I'm going to share with you a same kind of great investment property where I have invested and I want you to invest as well. I'm excited to share with you the first one-of-the-kind luxury style condo building in Canada. This building will have 22 amenities and a dedicated manager to look after all the entertainment and recreation activities for you. You will enjoy number of games at sports court, running track, entertainment lounge areas, gym, yoga center, play areas as well as private patios. If you are planning to invest, this project is for you. Let me tell you why. Location, location, location. Let's talk about the number one investor's choice city, Kitchener. Kitchener is ranked one of the top choice cities to invest in Ontario. You're next to Highway 401. If you're going from Brampton or Mississauga, it only takes 40 minutes to reach to your destination. Kitchener has a very strong and diverse economy. With 2 universities and Conestoga College, 45,000 students choose to study here. It is a home of hundreds of IT companies. Google, Shopify, BlackBerry provide thousands of jobs in this region. Insurance sector is very strong here. Companies like Manulife, Sun Life choose to have their head offices here. Manufacturing sector also plays a big role in strengthening Kitchener's economy. Toyota employs over 4,000 people in this region. And just to let you know, your location is only 7 minutes away from Toyota plant. Let's talk about infrastructure now. Being in Kitchener, you're next to Highway 401. Go Transit is already very strong here. But by adding LRT, the light rail train, last year, the real estate properties have gone up by 15%. So we have a great location, diverse economy and a strong infrastructure. That's why every year over 15,000 people choose to move to this area. No wonder Kitchener is facing a housing shortage. Because of that, it has a very low vacancy rate and you enjoy very high rents. With high rent and high appreciation, I choose to invest in Kitchener. In this project, we will have 4 luxury condo buildings and you, being my platinum client, getting the first access in the very first phase, very first building. Not to mention, suite sizes are much larger. 1 bedroom starts from 650 square feet, 1 bedroom plus 10 over 800 square feet, and 2 bedrooms comes with 2 full washrooms start from 1000 square feet. You will have quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, smooth 9 feet ceilings comes with beautiful pot light. Also, for a limited time, window coverings are also included. You are getting over 55,000 worth of incentives, which includes your car parking, gap development charges, assignment clause, window coverings, and so much more. Also, if you are buying a 2-bedroom unit, ask me for additional $10,000 of incentives specially for you. Let's talk about the price now. Since you're getting your unit in the first access, being my platinum client, you're paying the lowest price. Unit price starts from mid 300s and that includes parking as well. Let me tell you why this is a great deal. In Kitchener market, right now you're paying $700 per square feet. But in this project, you will be paying only $550 per square feet, which means you are straight saving $150 per square feet. Now you know this is a great investment project and this is the just right time to purchase this property. When you give me a call, my job is to listen to you, understand your financial goals, then suggest you the right investment property which fits so well in your real estate portfolio so that you make maximum profit out of it. To sum it all, you are investing at a great location, diverse economy, strong infrastructure, the very first phase of the project, and in the platinum access, you are paying the lowest price and getting the great benefits. Now it's your time to take an action. Give me a call or drop me an email.